What if that arrogant, dismissive attitude isn't confidence at all, but a desperate attempt to avoid feeling like a failure? Let me tell you about a man who always seemed angry. People saw him as defiant, difficult, arrogant, even dismissive, all classic signs of narcissistic grandiosity. But in therapy, a different picture started to emerge. He was a bright kid, but without parental support. No one taught him how to manage frustration, stay focused, or feel capable when things got hard. So when school began demanding real effort, he couldn't rise to it. He didn't know how. Now, years later, he's at work. The phone rings. It's a small request, but it calls on those same undeveloped capacities. And suddenly, that old helplessness returns. The feeling isn't, I'll try, it's, I can't. And on the surface, what we see is, I won't. Why won't he try? Because trying and failing would be unbearable. Deep down, it feels hopeless. He doesn't say or even consciously feel those words, but the message is clear. I'm not cut out for this. I know how this ends. So next time you or someone you love brushes something off with, this is stupid, or I'm not doing it, or just procrastinating in general, pause. That defiance might be a shield protecting against the unbearable feelings of not being enough. I'm going to say more about this in the upcoming video, so please be sure to stay tuned.